This email is a message that I wrote to the director of the Equine Sciences program at CSU after the Legends of Ranching sale was canceled. As you can see in the email, I looked forward to this sale for years. I attended it for so many years, and taking the colt starting class, or at least the opportunity to, was the reason I came to CSU. The Equine Science major has this program, and it is just a cornerstone. It's kind of the base of the major, so to not be able to take this program in my senior year, so never in my time at CSU, was really heartbreaking. Some strategies I used in this message: the first box on the bottom left, I told a story of the first time that I went to the sale. I think that using this was helpful to draw emotion from the reader and allowed him to connect with me and understand kind of what my point of view was. In the second box, I included an email that I got from the professor of the colt class because I had actually tried out and gotten into the class. So I felt that this was a good way to express emotion again, to kind of bring the story into reality and make him understand exactly how the situation went down, establish a timeline of events, etc. And then the top box is something that I included using actual facts. So part of the reason the program was canceled was because they want a professor with a PhD. So I included some reasons why that might not be so important, including multiple really prominent trainers that don't currently have a PhD. I think that using fact kind of helped draw away from emotion and set the conversation in reality. And in the bottom box, I gave my contact information and told him that I would love to discuss it further. I think this left the line of communication open so that he didn't feel like it was a one-sided email that might just be attacking him. My goals for this message in the short term were somewhat selfish. I wanted to draw emotion from him. I thought that it was important that he felt the emotions that I was feeling after the class had been canceled. In the long term, though, I did want to facilitate a meaningful discussion around the program and why this program is so important and how it may not be beneficial to the major, the equine science major and department, to cancel the program. I also hope to initiate a deliberation phase and some problem solving. I think that there are some issues that he sent in an original email when the class was canceled that we could have fixed, I guess, in order to keep the program going. Things that I could have improved, especially after watching the videos and readings in this module, is I think I could have used more tact and less emotion. I was very passionate in the moment, and it could have made him feel awkward or attacked. So considering his emotions was probably something that I really could have improved.